In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is to go to the bottom left and tap on watch list. In here, then you want to go to the top right and tap on the plus button, and then you want to filter by futures. So at the top, as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different things. By default, you're going to be on all over here. You want to go to the fourth one, which is futures. Now, over here where you can see futures, there's going to be a bunch of different ones, and of course, you want to select whatever you want to trade. So I'm just going to go with this E-minute NASDAQ 100 over here for this example, and I'm going to tap on it. And when you do so, it's going to open up like this over here, and then you want to tap on the trade button at the bottom. Okay, now when you do that, it's going to populate your chart like this, and then the second thing you have to do, of course, is connect your broker via which you want to trade. So to do this, go to the very bottom right of your chart where you can see this arrow up, arrow down button, so this one, and then you want to tap on it. And then from here, as you can see, you can connect your broker. There's a bunch of different ones. It's super simple. Just tap on any broker you want to connect and then put in your credentials and you'll basically be connected. Now, I'm going to just use paper trading over here for this example, and I'm going to tap on connect. There we go. Now, whenever you do that, whenever you have your broker connected to trade futures, you want to tap on the same button yet again at the bottom of your screen. So the arrow up, arrow down button. And when you do so, you'll see, there we go. Here you can select if you want to buy or sell. And then, of course, you have the options to change between market, limit, or a stop order. So if you put market, you basically will be able to buy at the current market price. But if you select limit or stop, you'll be able to specify the price you want to purchase at as well. So right now, I'm going to go with market. I'm going to leave the units as 1. And then you can add on exits like take profits or stop losses if you want to by toggling them like this. And then whenever you're done, you can review your order at the bottom and then tap on the buy button or of course the sell button in case you are selling. Okay, so that's how to trade the futures on TradingView mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.